Geoff Hyland here with the Hyland Group eXp Realty in Prescott, here to provide you with your March 2025 market update. So let's take a look here. As we rolled into March, our active inventory numbers was sitting at 921. Again, those are site-built single-family homes on our market. I took a stroll through memory lane, and the last time that we saw that level of inventory, and I've only been tracking since 2015, but you had to go back 10 years to March of 2015 to see that level of inventory for this time of year. So the trend continues. Inventory has been slowly rising since the first of the year, and we're not accustomed to seeing that. Typically those incremental increases in inventory starts more in April and then continues on through the summer. So the inventory continues to rise. Days on market, we did see a little bit of relief there, especially in Prescott, where we were sitting at about 90 days or so. Now the active days on market right now is running 72 in Prescott, 75 MLS wide, and 67 in Prescott Valley, 68 in Chino Valley. So the days on market came down a little bit, which is good. Active inventory right now is, as I stated, 921 properties on the market. They are currently priced 13.4% above the market average in terms of homes that are selling. So again, there's a strong correlation. If it's overpriced, it's probably going to sit there. Some good news, especially, for really both buyers and sellers. We're seeing some relief in interest rates. So for the first time, we're basically seeing rates that we were accustomed to back in October. We rolled into the 1st of March at 6.74% interest. We're just a couple days past the 1st right now, and the rates as of today were 6.64. So depending on your lender, depending on their incentives, depending on what kind of a credit you might be able to get from a seller, we have buyers right now here on our team with our in-house mortgage company locking interest rates in the mid to low 6% range. And you guys have been waiting for that. So if you're a buyer, pay attention. Okay, you always ask us, when is a good time? When is a good time? You've got 34% more inventory on the market today than you had 12 months ago. 34% higher inventory. So in March, we were looking at 689 homes last year. Now we're looking at 921. You have an abundance of properties out there to look at, and the interest rates are going the right direction for you. All right. Now, if you're a seller, rising inventory can mean more competition, which can mean lower pricing. So let's talk about pricing. What we saw in Prescott last month, the values came down nearly 2%. MLS overall average stayed the same. All right. Chino Valley was negligible, minus, 1/3%. PV actually had some high dollar properties closed escrow, so they saw a little upswing, close to 5%. So we're seeing stable market conditions, lower interest rates, higher inventory. If you're a buyer, call us. Let's go out and start looking at some homes. That is your update for March 2025. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to call, reach out, visit us on the web. We're happy to talk to you about anything, any more questions that you have. Talk to you next month.